Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to prune my basil plant. So this is a sweet basil here, and basically you want to prune it and to help it to grow more luscious. And what we're looking for, we're going to cut. If you look here, I don't know if you can see, but you see little leaves. I don't know, it's probably kind of hard. Okay, but if you look here, you will see little leaves right here. So we're going to cut about a 1/4 inch above those young leaves. Let me see if I can zoom in a little for you to see. Okay, so if you look, you can see the small leaves here. So I'm just going to cut about a 1/4 inch at an angle above that. There you go. So now I have this piece here that I've just pruned off the main plant. So again, if you want to look for pruning, you look to see where you see the young leaves, the small leaves there, and you cut about a 1/4 inch above that. So maybe I will do that here again. So at the top here, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Okay. So at the top here, I see some leaves here. So I'm going to cut about a 1/4 inch above that. There you go. So here I have another piece that I can use for cooking. So basically that's it. I just wanted to show you how you can prune your basil plant in order to help increase production. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. As well, you can also share with family and friends.